Since childhood, I knew my path was towards design. My mother was inclined towards art, and my grandfather, a car mechanic by passion. I grew up watching him in his workshop, and that's where my love for creating and building truly began. When it came to choosing a design institute, UID was the natural choice.
One of the top private design schools in the country, and its location made it perfect for me and my family. From day one, the support of mentors and the creative spaces here shaped my journey. The workshops, the labs, the freedom to experiment, it gave me the confidence to build, to prototype, to fail, and to start again.
At UID, I learned everything end to end.
From research and sourcing materials to designing, prototyping, and even rendering on 3D software. I got to teach my juniors, lead as a part of the student council, and most importantly, discover independence, leadership, and the hustle of teamwork. My graduation project, retrofitted wall panels, was successfully implemented by Sprint Co Interiors in Mumbai. Later, I designed a liquid immersion cooling prototype for a data center, which was launched at the Global Investor Summit in Indore, in the presence of our Honorable Prime Minister. Today, that design is operational. And later, through working closely with the research and technology head, I earned 3 design patents. Some roads led me back to university, where I contributed as a graphic designer in its communications and activations wing. And now, I am working with a leading company in liquid immersion cooling.
UID has been more than just a campus. It has been my launch pad. And as I prepare for my masters, I know that this journey has only just begun. I am limitless.